In this video, we're going to build a complete full-stack application, including a backend, using just a single prompt. Yes, you heard that right, a complex, database-driven web app brought to life with just one prompt using AI. To achieve this, we'll be using two absolutely incredible AI tools. First, an AI-native code editor called Cursor, and second, for our backend, a powerful and surprisingly easy-to-use platform called InsForge. So let's get right into it. First things first, we need to head over to the InsForge website. I've already put the link for you down in the description so you can go and check it out for yourself. As you can see, InsForge bills itself as the backend for AI coding, and it's not kidding. It provides everything you need right out of the box: robust user authentication, a production-grade Postgres database, file storage, serverless functions, real-time updates, and, most importantly, seamless AI integration. It's also designed to work with all the popular AI-powered IDEs you already use. Let's click Start Building Real Apps. To get started, we need to sign in. I'm just going to continue with my Google account to make it quick. I'll select one of my personal Google account, and just like that, the authentication is complete and we are in. First, we need to create a new project. For the project name, I'm going to call it AI Notes App, and then I'll simply hit the Create button. And there we go. Our project is now loading up. The dashboard is now waiting for a connection from our coding agent. For that, we need to set up the InsForge MCP. Since we are using Cursor, I'm going to click the Add to Cursor button. It pops up a confirmation to open the Cursor application. You can see it automatically brings in all the necessary API keys and configuration. All we have to do now is click Install. It's now loading the tools, and success! The InsForge MCP server is now fully connected and enabled inside of Cursor. This means our code editor can now talk directly to our backend. I'll just close this settings window. Back in my editor, I have a new empty project folder ready to go. And now for the most amazing part of this entire process. I'm going to paste in our single, all-powerful prompt that will instruct the AI to build our entire application. Here it is. Build a complete AI-powered note-taking web app using Next.js with a modern and clean UI. Use InsForge MCP to handle all backend stuff: database setup, API routes, authentication, and server logic. Include pages for login, sign up, and a dashboard where users can create, edit, and delete notes. Make the design minimalist and responsive with a soft color palette, clean typography, and smooth animations. Make sure every feature works perfectly and the app is production-ready with full error handling and loading states. For the AI model, I'm going to switch from the default and select Claude Sonnet 4.5, as it's fantastic for these kinds of complex, multi-step coding tasks. With our prompt in place, I'll hit Enter. The AI is now planning its next moves. It's thinking through the entire project and breaking it down into a comprehensive to-do list. This is a crucial step. It's creating a logical workflow, from getting backend instructions and API keys from our InsForge backend, to setting up the Next.js app structure, to designing the database schema, and building all the UI components. It's now running the first few steps, getting the instructions and API key from our InsForge backend to establish the connection. While it's working on that, let's jump back over to the InsForge dashboard. And look at that. It says connected successfully. This confirms that our local Cursor editor is actively communicating with our backend. Down below, we can see the MCP call records for the commands it just ran. Now, if we head over to the Database tab, wow, you can see it has already created our users and notes tables automatically, just from understanding our prompt. This is absolutely incredible. If we go into the Visualizer section, you can see the entire database schema laid out for us. On the left, we have our authentication with email and Google OAuth enabled, and on the right, we have our users and notes tables with the correct relationship already established between them. The entire backend is ready to go without us writing a single line of SQL. And it's done. All 9 of the to-do items are complete. It says you're all set. Your AI Notes app is complete and ready to use. And best of all, the development server is already up and running on localhost 3000. This is the power of AI-driven development. But before we check out our brand new app, I want to give a massive thank you to today's sponsor, TestSprite. TestSprite is an AI agent built for modern coders that automatically tests, fixes, and validates your software. It can turn your draft code into a working, bug-free application without you having to manually write a single test. It integrates seamlessly with your favorite AI-powered editors, including Cursor, Claude, and VS Code, allowing you to ship your projects with absolute confidence. Let's click Try MCP Free. This takes us to the sign-up page. I'll quickly log in with my account. Once we're in, we get this pop-up. We're going to click on Test Locally, MCP, to connect it with our local cursor editor. This brings up the setup guide. Just like with InsForge, it's a simple one-click install. I'll click Add to Cursor. This opens up the settings in our editor again, this time with the TestSprite MCP server configuration. I'll click Install. And just like that, TestSprite is now also connected. We have both InsForge for our backend and TestSprite for testing, all integrated as agents within our editor. Now to start testing, the guide says to simply type this sentence into our code editor. I'll copy this prompt. Hey, help me to test this project with TestSprite. I'll go back to Cursor, paste that prompt into the chat, and send it. The AI agent immediately starts planning the tests. And if we switch back to the TestSprite dashboard, you can see it's already running. It has created 20 different automated tests for our AI Notes app, and it's going through them one by one, covering everything from user sign-up and login to note creation and error handling. It shows in real time which tests have passed and which have failed. After a few moments, the testing is complete. Back in Cursor, the AI gives us a full summary. It shows that 8 tests passed, but 12 failed. It tells us what's working perfectly, like user sign-up and AI summary generation, but some tests failed, but I think our app should work fine. These are not really important errors, as we're just testing. If you're creating something to the production level, you should definitely use TestSprite and test your app. This is an incredible level of insight, and it's all automated. I've put the link to TestSprite in the description, so go try it for yourself. All right, the moment we've been waiting for. Let's head over to localhost 3000 and see the application that our AI built for us from that single prompt. And here it is, a beautiful, professional, and clean landing page. The design is minimalist and modern, exactly as we requested in the prompt. It has a great hero section, clear calls to action, and a feature breakdown for AI summaries, smart organization, and secure private notes. Now let's click on Get Started to create an account. This takes us to the sign-up page that the AI also generated for us. For the email address, I'll use a test email for this, test@gmail.com. Then I'll enter a secure password and confirm it. Now let's click the Sign Up button. You can see it's loading, creating the account in the background. And we're in. This is our main application dashboard. It says no notes found, which makes perfect sense since this is a brand new account. Now for the real moment of truth. Let's go back to our InsForge database, navigate to the Authentication tab, and hit the refresh button. And there it is. Our new user, test@gmail.com, has been successfully created and stored in our database. This is confirmation that our front end is perfectly connected to our backend. The entire authentication system is working flawlessly. Now let's create our first note. I'll click the Create Note button. For the title, I'll enter AI Prompts Hack PDF. And for the content, I'll type like, comment, share, and subscribe to get a free AI Prompts Hack PDF that will automate your daily life tasks. And seriously, if you really want that free PDF, make sure to join our Discord server. The link is waiting for you in the description. You can also see there's a button for an AI summary, which is a feature we asked for in the prompt. For now, let's just click Create Note to save it. It's saving, and there it is. Our first note has been successfully created and displayed on the dashboard. We have our title, our content, and options to edit or delete the note. To confirm everything is working end-to-end, let's go back to the InsForge database one last time and check the Notes table. And there it is. Our note we just created is stored in our database with the correct content and linked to our user ID. And there you have it. In just a matter of minutes, we have built a complete, full-stack AI-powered web application with a secure backend, all from a single prompt, using the incredible power of Cursor and InsForge. And of course, we even tested it with TestSprite. This is the future of software development happening right now. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more incredible AI tools and tutorials, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Code Director. Don't forget to join our Discord community, where we share exclusive AI hacks, prompts, and build amazing things together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.